What if the greatest lie you've believed is that you still have time? We plan, we delay, we assume tomorrow is ours. But what if it isn't? The sound of only is not comfort, it is a call, a reckoning, a mirror you cannot escape. This is where excuses die, where control is exposed, and where surrender becomes the only way forward. If the trumpet sounded right now, would you be ready? Not almost, not someday, but completely? Because in the end, when time falls silent, only one thing will matter. Did you belong to him? Fully? Or not at all? The Sound of Only. Buy now on Amazon.